Hello students, today's lecture is on definition, composition and types of milk. The main objectives of this lecture is to understand about the definition of milk, composition of milk and types of milk. Definition of milk. Milk is a white liquid which is rich in nutrients and it is produced in the mammary glands of mammals. Milk is the lacteal secretion practically free from colostrum which is obtained by the complete milking of one or more healthy milk animals which contain not less than 8.2% of milk solids, not fat, and not less than 3.2% of milk fat. Milk produced within 15 days before calving or 5 days after calving contains colostrum. Colostrum present in milk causes intestinal disturbances in children. So milk should be free from colostrum. The food value of milk depends upon its milk fat content and it also depends upon its solids not fat content. According to the PFA, Prevention of Food Adulteration Act, milk is the normal mammary secretion derived from the complete milking of healthy milk animal without either addition thereto or extraction therefrom. It shall be free from the colostrum. Therefore, milk is the normal secretion of the mammary glands of mammals. It is the most nearly complete food for human and is an excellent culture medium for many microorganisms as milk contains all essential nutrients required for the growth of the human and for the growth of the microorganism. Composition of milk. Freshly drawn milk varies in chemical composition. Variation in composition of milk depends upon the species, breed, age of the animal, interval of milking, frequency of milking, stage of her lactation, her health, her feed, season of the year, disease and abnormal conditions, condition of cow at calving, and administration of drugs and hormones. The average chemical composition of milk. Milk contains 87.3% of water, 5% of lactose, 3.8% of butter fat, 2.5% of casein, 0.7% of albumin and globulin, 0.7% of mineral matter or ash. Major constituents are water, lactose, butter fat, proteins that is casein, and albumin and globin, and ash or mineral matter. Minor constituents are phospholipids, vitamins, enzymes, and pigments. pH of normal fresh milk ranges from 6.7 to 6.9, which indicates that the milk is slightly acidic. Specific gravity 1.035. Chemical composition of milk of different species. Cow's milk contains 4.6% of fat, 3.4% of proteins, and 4.9% of lactose, which is less than the percentage of fats and the proteins as well as lactose present in the buffalo's milk. Sheep milk contains maximum percentage of fats and proteins as compared to the milk from the other mammals. Organic constituents of milk. Carbohydrates. Milk contains approximately 4.9% of carbohydrate, which is predominantly lactose, that is milk sugar, with trace amounts of monosaccharides and oligosaccharides. Lactose is a reducing disaccharide, consists of glucose and galactose. Lactose gives a milk its slight sweet taste. Lactose serves as a principal carbon source for majority of spoilage causing microorganisms growing in milk. Next organic constituent of milk is protein. Normal bovine milk contains 30 to 35 grams of proteins per liter, of which about 80% is arranged in casein mycetes. Total proteins in milk represent 3.2% of its composition. Human milk contains less percentage of proteins than the cow's milk. All milk proteins are synthesized by the mammary glands of the mammals. These proteins has a high biological value as it contains all essential amino acids. They are easily digested, easily absorbed, and easily metabolized. Types of the milk proteins. Casein, serum proteins or whey proteins, which include lactoalbumin and lactoglobulin. And the third type of milk protein is milk enzymes. So first, casein. Casein is the main and most dominant milk protein, which represent 25% in human milk and 83% in cow's milk. It is a compound protein, that is phosphoprotein, of high biological value. The high phosphate content of casein allows it to associate with calcium and form calcium phosphate salt. So at 6.6 pH of milk, casein present as insoluble calcium caseinate phosphate complex. Casein is the only milk protein which is not coagulated on boiling. The proteins get coagulated on boiling, but this milk protein, that is casein, is not coagulated on boiling. The net charge of milk protein is negative, so protein molecules remain separated from each other due to repulsion forces. Serum proteins or whey proteins, which contain 32% of alpha-lactoalbumin and 55% of beta-lactoglobulin protein. Milk enzymes. The enzymes present in the milk includes catalase, lactoperoxidase, xanthine oxidase, alkaline phosphatase, amylase, lipase, aldehyde oxidase, proteases, and lysozyme. Next to the protein, next organic constituents present in the milk is lipid or fats. Initially, milk fat is secreted in the form of fat globule surrounded by a membrane. Each fat globule is composed almost entirely of triglycerols, which is surrounded by a membrane consisting of a complex lipid such as phospholipids along with the proteins. Milk lipids can be easily separated on standing of the milk. Presence of this lipid in the milk responsible to give white color to the milk. Milk lipids mainly consist of triglycerol distributed as a coarse emulsion which contains oleic acid, myristic acid, palmitic acid, and stearic fatty acids. Milk also contains small amount, that is 0.1% of phospholipids, which include lecithin, cephalin, and sphingomycin in a ratio of 9:5:1. Cow's milk contains twice amount of phospholipids than the phospholipids present in the human milk. Milk contains 0.01% of the cholesterol. The fat-soluble vitamins, that is vitamin A, which is higher in human milk than cow's milk. Milk contains the fat-soluble vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Water-soluble vitamins present in milk includes thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, pyridoxine, that is vitamin B6, vitamin B12, and folic acid. Inorganic constituents of milk. Minerals. Milk rich in calcium and phosphate, which are present in a ratio of 2:1, which is a proper ratio for absorption in human milk, while 1:2 in cow's milk, which is not suitable for their maximum absorption. Calcium and phosphate are essential for the growth of bone and teeth, as well as for the stability of casein. In addition to the calcium and phosphate, milk contains adequate amount of sodium, potassium, and magnesium. The pigments present in milk includes carotene, xanthophyll, which are grouped together as carotenoids. Carotene is the most important fat-soluble pigment of milk, which gives yellow color to milk and acts acts as an antioxidant as well as the precursor for vitamin A. Cow milk contains 0.3 milligram of carotene per 100 gram. Milk has a high nutritive value. It supplies body-building proteins, bone-forming minerals, and health-giving vitamins, and furnishes energy-giving lactose and milk fat. Milk is an ideal, complete food. Types of milk. Skim milk, which is also called as fat-free milk. Skim milk is a milk from which sufficient milk fat has been removed to reduce its milk fat content to less than 0.5% and milk solids not fat 8.7%. Normal milk contains 3.2% of fats. So 3.2% of fat is reduced to 0.5%, then that milk is called as a skim milk. Tone milk. Tone milk obtained by the addition of water and skim milk powder to whole milk, which contain the fat near about 3% and solids not fat 8.5%. When this fat content present in tone milk is reduced from 3% to 1.5%, then that milk is called as a double tone milk. Double tone milk contains minimum of 1.5% of fat and 9% of solids not fat. Homogenized milk. Homogenized milk is a milk which has been treated in such a manner as to ensure breakup of the fat globules to such an extent that after 48 hours storage, no visible cream separation occurs on the milk. Homogenization refers to the process of forcing the milk through a homogenizer with the object of subdividing the fat globules. So the fats which are present in this milk are broken down with the help of homogenizer. Questions on definition, composition and types of milk. Describe the composition of milk. What is homogenized milk? Define milk. Describe various types of milk. Define skim milk. Define tone milk. Name the proteins present in milk. Name the pigments of milk. Comment on types of milk and explain the composition and components of milk. References: Outlines of Dairy Technology by Sukumar Dey, Milk and Milk Products by Henry Eccles, and A Comprehensive Dairy Microbiology by J. S. Yadav. Thank you.